Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. So come to import button over here. So when you come to import the video of your choice that you want to be removing the background noise. So I'll select this video here and I'll tap on open. Alright, so at that step basically I need to carry this video. Then I drop it in the timeline over there. Okay, as simple as it is. So basically I'm going to play for this video so that you can hear it and see the audio quality before removing the background noise. Alright, so let's play and see. Alright, so that's the audio quality and that's how it looks like before removing the background noise. So basically I'm going to remove the background noise in a few steps. So to do that, basically tap on the video itself, then come to audio over here. Okay, after video, come to audio. So when you come to audio, come to reduce noise over here. Now tap on that until you see this noise reduced. Okay, so basically you've removed the background noise from this video. Okay, so let's play it again and hear it how it sounds. Alright, so this time around it sounds very smooth and clear cut. So that's how basically you go about this. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.